Hey, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and the other day I made a lesson showing you how to strum Auld Lang Syne, but a couple people emailed me saying that they weren't comfortable singing it and they wanted to learn how to play the melody. So I thought I'd just quickly show you how to play the melody for this tune. After this lesson, I do have a tab for it. It's free, it's on my website. So after this lesson, you can go download the tab, or you could even go there now, print it off, and then you can follow along and you'll have everything written out for you. Either way, here is the melody. There's a lot of open strings in that one, and you're only using a couple fingers. It's actually a pretty simple melody as far as the fingering is concerned. It's just pretty long, and it has some rhythms in it that we'd have to go over. Let's break it down bit by bit. First part that we're gonna do . So we go open D string, and then G, and then we play the G string a couple times. And then we go up to the B string. Should old acquaintance. And I find if you sing it, that'll help you out immensely with the rhythm. Should old acquaintance. And then for B forgot, we put our middle finger down on the second fret of the G string. B forgot. So that's 202. When it comes time to practice it, I recommend doing it in that little chunk. Should old acquaintance be forgot? So we start off on the B string, and then we go 2-0 on the G string, and never, and never, and then brought to mind. So for that, open B string, then the third fret, and then the open E string. Brought to mind. So I do that in 2 bits, and never, and then brought to mind. And then you practice putting that together. And now the next part. We start off on the thinnest string, and then on the next string, 3-0-0, and then the open G string. So you can go, should old acquaintance. And then we have be forgot, just like we did before. Same notes, same words. So try that a few times. Should old acquaintance be forgot. And now here, so open B string, open G, and then on the D string, 2-2-0, and then back to the G string. And Auld Lang Syne. And now the next part of the melody we've already done. It's just the words are different. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld. And here it's a little bit different. Lang Syne. So for that bit, on the open E string, and then 3 on the B, 0-0-3, and then back to the high E. So we've done all these notes before, we're just kind of changing the order. And this last bit of melody we've already done. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. So that's it. Once again, I have this. You can print it out off of my website. I'll put a link for that down below. I also have bunch of stuff designed to help you out. My free ebook, my course, Learn Guitar Once and For All. So if you want to, in the new year, you know, really tackle guitar and do it right and not waste your time on a bunch of stuff, you know, actually learn songs, learn how to strum and develop your rhythm, you know, and play through the entire song. I have a link I'll put down below. You can check out my course, Learn Guitar Once and For All. It's designed to help you no matter where you're at with guitar. If you're an older beginner, or if you've been in the beginner phases, it kind of feels like forever, you know, or if you're just getting started. It's designed to help you step by step, leaves no stone unturned. So please check that out. Otherwise, have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you soon.